Smartphone battery drain can feel like a silent thief, sneaking away your power when you need it most. To combat this, start by optimizing your settings, disable location tracking, background app refresh, and adaptive display. These small tweaks can make a big difference. Next, explore power-saving modes. They're designed to extend your battery life when you need it. And don't forget about app-specific power management. Shut down those power-hungry apps that drain your battery without you even realizing it. Now, let's tackle the Wi-Fi disconnect dilemma. Keep your router firmware updated for a stable connection, and be mindful of network congestion. Schedule your downloads and streaming during off-peak hours to avoid slowdowns. If your signal is weak, consider budget-friendly Wi-Fi extenders to boost connectivity. App glitches can be frustrating. Regularly check for app updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Adjust app permissions to prevent crashes and enhance security. And remember to clear your app cache and data. It's a quick way to speed things up. Overheating is another issue. Choose breathable, heat-resistant phone cases to help keep your device cool. Close demanding apps and avoid multitasking when your phone gets hot. Optimize background processes by disabling unnecessary tasks. Finally, keeping your smartphone safe and secure is crucial. Regularly check for software updates to stay protected. Use trusted anti-malware software and VPNs for enhanced security. And don't forget to back up your data to the cloud. It's your safety net when things go wrong.